Hi everyone, and Sir Gunawan. So I'm gonna tell you about my daily activities. So I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I turn off the alarm, then decide to get up and leave the bedroom. It took a long time to decide to take a shower, so I use my phone first. After that, I decide to take a shower and prepare myself to go to campus. At 5:30, I decide to go to campus. It took an hour and a half on the way to campus, so I decide to sleep on the way. Arriving at campus, I met my friends while waiting for class to start. At 8 o'clock, class starts and I attend class according to the existing schedule. After class, my friend and I decide to hang out first before deciding to go campus. Eat and talk together until it's time to go home. It took a long time to wait for public transportation that I would take to be able to go home. Just like when going to campus, it takes an hour and a half or even more to get home because of the traffic jams. When I got home, I play on my phone for a while and then decide to take a shower and eat. At night, I will do assignments if there are any and then decide to sleep so I could wake up early the next day. Thank you.